Frost has stitched itself into the wood, a silver veil upon the swing I left behind. The chains are weeping, bleeding, orange trails of time, while the garden dissolves into the gray. I'm breathing out the ghost of what you said. The porch is colder than the bed.
There's a flickering ember in the glass of the door, a dying heart that doesn't wanna beat anymore. I'm tracing circles on the railing, watching the night, turning everything I held into white. And the sky is tearing open, leaking iron down, heavy needles piercing through this hollow town.
I'm wearing memories like a suit of rusted mail,
Sinking in the middle of this winter gale.
just a portrait of a house where nothing stays.
Counting out the ending
of our final days. On the ledges holding nothing but the ice, a bitter sediment of a sacrificed life. I look for a reflection, but the mirror is stained with the dirt of a history that's been poorly maintained. I used to build fires
to keep out the dark,
now I'm just an echo,
losing my spark.
and the sky is tearing open, leaking iron down,
Heavy needles piercing through this hollow town.
I'm wearing memories like a suit of rusted mail,
Sinking in the middle of this winter gale.
just a portrait of a house where nothing stays.
Counting out the ending
Of our final